Hello, abroad aspirants. We really understand that you guys are really excited about the Europe at present, and that is why Neil Aruns has come up with a European country series. And we are going to do a lot of videos regarding European countries. And to start with, we are starting with Poland. Today. And why Poland? Why are we starting with Poland? Is because, it is one of the cheapest place to stay. And by cheapest, I really do not know that, do not mean that the quality of the education is low over there. In fact, Poland has some of the top universities, and it's quite affordable. The standard of living is good over there, and the Poland universities are also tied up with Europe Union. And if you want to study in Europe, like, you can even transfer your credits to some other European countries as well. These are some of the advantages, and you get part-time job opportunities. Even the most wanted advantage is that, you can take your spouse along if you want to settle down in Europe, and you'll have the post-study work visa also. When you study over there, after your studies, you will have 18 months of post-study work visa there, and your spouse can do a part-time job. Even the student is also allowed to do part-time jobs. And the top universities in Poland, some of them are Warsaw University, then Wrocław University, Wrocław University is there. Then we have University of Economics and Human Sciences, Lazarski University is there, Kosmicki University is there. And the streams what you can choose in Poland are quite wide, and you can choose management related programs, you can choose computers related programs, you can even choose some of the engineering related programs. There are quite a lot of health related programs also. And in case if you want to apply with us, please contact us on the given number and get a free counseling session. Thank you so much.